Hey everyone. Hi Shubham. Hello Manish. ऑडियो बराबर है क्या? Is the audio okay, guys? All right. Okay, so this is our fourth lecture on coordinate geometry. In today's class, we'll be looking at a few things about distance between parallel lines and so. But major focus would be on equation of lines. Equation of circle. Yes, this is today's highlight. Hi Ayush, thank you so much. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer. I am from Chennai. I have over 6 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude. Please do not forget to follow #CAT Live Daily on Instagram. These are the 2 Telegram groups. Get yourselves added to them if you want to keep yourselves updated on anything that we have planned for your MBA prep. The subscription prices have changed. These are the old prices. Use my referral code Surana Live to get your 10% discount. You can also take the iconic subscription. Use referral code Surana Live for the discount. Yeah, and these are all the ongoing and upcoming batches. Chalo, let's start. Hello Nalin. Hi Ishika. Hi Shreyashi. So start करेंगे. First, let's talk about concurrency of 3 given lines. What do you mean by concurrency? I would call 3 lines concurrent if they all meet at one given point, right? So if you have 3 lines like this and all 3 of them meet at a single point, if they were to meet at a single point, then these 3 lines L, M and N are called concurrent. Yes, if they pass through a common point. Yes, and if they meet at a common point, at this point if they meet, yes, then the condition for that would be what? That let's say there are 3 lines, okay, a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. These are the 3 lines. Let's call them L, M and N. They'd be concurrent if, again, if you take the determinant of there, right? If you write it like this: a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, again a1, a2, a3. Then if I take a1 out common and if I take the discriminant of this, yes, b2 c3 and c2 b3, do you see this? b2 c3 and c2 b3, plus if I take b as common, I mean if b is the multiplier, then I would take these 2, yes, c2 c3 and c2 c3 and a2 c3. If I take c1 out as common, if c1 is out common, then I would have a2 here, this part, a2 b3 and a3 b2. Yes, this should be 0. If this is equal to 0, if this particular determinant is equal to 0, then you would understand that all 3 points meet, all 3 lines meet at a single point. If it does not equal to 0, if it is not equal to 0, then they are not concurrent. Understood? Yes, if you want to talk about two lines being concurrent, if any two lines are concurrent, then it basically means that they should have a common point, right? A1x plus b1y plus c1 should be equal to, if I equate them, a2x plus b2y plus c2, if I equate them, it basically means I'm equating their common x and y's. Yes, so if their x and y's are equal, then it basically means that these lines are concurrent. Yes. Now let's go to length of a given perpendicular. Wow, nice Ayush, thank you so much buddy, thank you so much. I didn't know that. इशिका सी 11th and 12th का मैथ्स इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है जितना 8th 9th 10th का, राइट? फॉर कैट more than 11th and 12th, what matters is your 8th 9th and 10th ka math. Yes, if you are well versed with these three years mathematics, then it should be a good thing for you. Chalo, let's go for length of a given perpendicular, right? So if there is a perpendicular P, if there is a line P which is perpendicular to a given point x1 y1, yes, for the line ax by plus c equal to 0, right? So this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. To this line, if I draw a line that is perpendicular, let's say this is the line, this line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There is a line, there is a point that lies anywhere on the line, that is x1 y1, and if I were to draw a perpendicular, yes, sorry, it's not on the line, sorry. So if this is the line and this is the point, if this is the point, from here if you want to find out the perpendicular distance, this distance, this is called P. If you want to find this out, P, it is basically ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Yes, that is, you plug in x1 and y1 in the given equation. If I plug in x1 and y1 in the given equation, it basically means it wouldn't satisfy. If it satisfies, then the point lies on the line, है ना? अगर point line के ऊपर है तो वहाँ से कोई perpendicular distance नहीं होगा, it will be 0. Yes, so if it is not equal to 0, this should not be equal to 0. If this is not equal to 0, then you would get what? The perpendicular length. Cool. Yes, so we've seen some questions on this. ऐसे questions अपन ने quizzes में देखे हैं, right? We've done 3-4 quizzes so far on coordinate geometry और वहाँ पे अपन ने ऐसे questions देखे हैं. Yeah, so you can make use of this. And if you want to find out the distance between any two given parallel lines, so if you have two lines that are parallel to each other and you want to find the perpendicular distance between them, this distance if you want to find out, then you can find it out by, this is a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and okay, it's basically ax by c1 ax by c2, because for two parallel lines, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, correct? These are two parallel lines, they should not be equal to c1 by c2. So if a1 a2 and b1 b2 are equal, then you can consider the same coefficients of x and y, a and b here and here. Yes, so this is given by what? The difference between the constants c1 minus c2 divided by a square by b square, right? The whole root of it. So basically you're taking the perpendicular distance of this. Cool. So this is what? Perpendicular distance between any two given parallel lines. Yes, this distance is what? c1 minus c2 by a square plus b square modulus of it, because distance is a physical measurement, it cannot be negative, इसलिए modulus. Yes, now let's go for the highlighted part of today's session, that is equation of a circle. So for any given circle with a point center as P, if I say the center of this is P and the coordinate of this P is a comma B, yes, If the center is P and the coordinates for the center are given as A comma B, then the equation of this line, this entire circle, can be given as what? X minus A the whole square plus Y minus B the whole square will be equal to R square, where R is nothing but the radius. Yes, so the radius is basically given as X minus A square plus Y minus B square, the square root of it. This would give you the radius, but since this is equation, so it would be like this. So if you take the radius to the other side, it will become minus radius square will be equal to 0. Yes. Hi Harsh, hello. Yes, this is the common format of any given circle का equation. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, x minus a square plus y minus b square minus r square will be equal to 0. Cool? Yes, this is x minus a the whole square, not x minus a square. X minus a the whole square minus y plus y minus b the whole square minus r square will give you the equation of the circle. Yes, the same circle, if if they have given in an expanded form, same equation if it is given in an expanded form like this, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then here the center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. Yes, the center जहाँ पे हम a comma b लेते थे, yes, the same thing here, the center would be minus g comma minus f. Yes, and its radius will be given as square root of g square plus f square minus c. Cool? Yeah, this is the equation of the radius. If you want to find out the radius का length, अगर radius नहीं पता हमें, so you can use this, yes, to find out its length. Got it? Yes. So g is nothing but half of the coefficient of x and f is nothing but half of the coefficient of y. Cool? And if the center is at origin, that is a comma b is 0, so you can directly substitute x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square minus r square is equal to 0. A comma b, the center is at origin 0 comma 0, that means it becomes x square plus y square minus r square is equal to 0. Yes, this is the equation of any given circle. Done? Are you comfortable with this, guys? Everyone? तो रेडियस निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? g square plus f square minus c का whole root. Yes. Or if the origin is given as 0, then you can use the same equation and find out the given radius as well. Cool? Any confusions here, guys? Yes, no, bolo. Do you have any confusions? Yes, no. चलेंगे आगे. चलो, let's do some examples. So here we have to find out what would be the radius and the coordinates of the center of this given circle. Yeah, first let's find out the center. Yes, center is given by what? Minus g comma minus f, correct? So here you can rewrite this entire equation as what? X square plus y square minus 2 into 3x plus 2 into, so it will become what? Plus 2 into minus 3x plus 2 into 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Correct? Yes. So what would be our center? This is g. If g is equal to minus 3, then minus g will be 3. Yes. Same way, if f is equal to 2, then minus f is minus 2. So what is the center? The center is given as minus g comma minus f, which is 3 comma minus 2. Correct? Ayushi, this is last. Khatam bas, this is last. Today's lecture would be last on coordinate geometry. Yeah, we have done everything. We just did not do the circle part of it. That's what we are doing it now. ठीक है? Done. So we found out the center 3 comma minus 2. Do you all agree with this? Now we also want to find out the radius. Yes, what is radius given as? Radius is given as square root of g square plus f square minus the constant c. Yes, so what is g square? Minus 3 square, which is 9, plus f square is 2 square, which is 4, minus of minus 12, which is plus 12. This is square root of 25. March 31st account close, correct, Shubham. So this is 5 units. Understood? So for this given question, the center is what? 3 comma minus 2, and the radius is 5 units. Yeah, alternatively you can also try and write this equation, complete the squares, write this equation in the form of x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. So you can also try doing this. x minus a the whole square के form में लिखना है आपको. Yes, so you have x square and this part, you know x minus a square को अगर आप expand करोगे तो what will you get? This is just alternate method. ठीक है, alternate method. ये क्या हो जाएगा? x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2yb is equal to r square. Correct? Correct, guys. So a will be a number, a square, b square, r square. This will all be equal to minus 12 or 12 per se, and बाकी के ये. So this part becomes your a. Your a is what? Minus 3. Yes, a becomes what? Minus 3. Sorry, a is equal to plus 3. Correct? Basically minus of it, right? So a is plus 3. You can write this as x minus 3 the whole square, plus b will be minus 2. Look at this, 2 ka negative. Yes, so this will become y plus 2 square will be equal to, abhi if you from 12, if you remove 3 and 2, you will be left with 5. Correct? From 12 square, if you remove 3 square, so it's basically, this is negative, this is positive. If you tally it out here, you will get 5 square on the right hand side. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये हो गया आपका रेडियस 5, ये हो गए आपके सेंटर्स. Yes, this is what? 3 comma minus 2 सेंटर, और ये हो गया रेडियस. Either which ways, if you are not able to complete the squares, completion of squares अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है, तो you can go individually like this, otherwise you can also go like this. तो ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये सब आप याद रखें. You don't have to remember this and this, but as long as you know the standard form of equation of any given circle, you can identify the center and the radius from there. Yes? चलो, try the next question. Go ahead, try this. Quickly try this. Sarmishta says center is 2 comma minus 7 by 4. Okay. And what about the radius? So what do you do with this given? See, in this given equation, you have a coefficient of x square, which you're not supposed to, right? You're not supposed to have coefficient of x square or y square. So to remove this, what do? Divide by 2 entire thing. So if I divide this by 2, what will I have? I'll have x square plus y square minus 4x plus 7 by 2y is equal to 0. Correct? This is of what form? This is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Correct? Radius is 1/4 of root 43. Okay. ठीक है. Let's quickly check that out. Yeah, so here, from here can you find out the center? Yes, यहाँ से आप center निकाल सकते हो. Yes, rewrite this in this form. Same form में लिखो इसको. X square plus y square plus 2 times minus 2x plus 2 times 7 by 2 को वापस in terms of 2 तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7 by 4 y plus 0 is equal to 0. Yes. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिल गया? You got the value of g as -2. Yes, g is -2. Same way, what is f? F is 7 by 4. Yes, and we know that center is given as minus g comma minus f, which is minus of -2 plus 2 minus 7 by 4. So the center given by Sarmishta is correct. 2 comma minus 7 by 4. अब इसका रेडियस निकालना है हमें. रेडियस निकालना है. हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस? वी हैव लुक्ड एट इट. रेडियस इज गिवन बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी. करेक्ट. तो जी स्क्वायर क्या है? 4. एफ स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? दिस विल बिकम 49 by 16. एंड कांस्टेंट यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? कांस्टेंट बिकम्स 0. करेक्ट. minus 0 इसका whole root. Agreed? So what does this become? This becomes 16 4s is 64. 64 plus 49 का root by 16 है. 16 का root is 4. Yes. So what is this? 64 plus 49? 113. रूट 113 by 4. तो एक बार चेक कर लो श्रेयसी अगर समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग देयर. द रेडियस इज दिस. सो रूट 113 by 4 यूनिट्स. ठीक है. 113 किसी से डिविजिबल है क्या? नहीं है. Got it? So is everyone comfortable with this? कोई डाउट किसी को? तब समझ में आ रहा है ना? फॉर एनी गिवन इक्वेशन हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द सेंटर फॉर एनी गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल. किसी भी फॉर्म में हो, राइट इट इन द जनरल फॉर्म और राइट इट इन दिस फॉर्म, एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. इसको अपन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म बोलते हैं. yes, write it in the expanded form or you can also do this in the general form also, no issues. So read this question carefully and then try and answer. These are tangents. You need to find the radius. This line and this line are tangents to the given circle at extremities of the diameter. It's understood. मतलब circle है, समझा देता हूँ एक बार. There's a circle. Yes, if this is the center and if I were to go for the diameter, let's say if this is the diameter, तो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि ये जो लाइन है this line 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 is tangential, and this line is also tangential at the extremities of the diameter. तो ये 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. समझ में आ रहा है? So what is our task here? Our task here is to find out the radius. ये क्या होगा? Radius, this or this, whatever. So you know for a fact that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of intersection. Perpendicular. Use that piece of information. Try and find the radius. Jaldi. Sorry guys, are you able to hear me? Are you guys able to hear me guys? फटाफट बताओ. सुनाई दे रहा क्या? Is the audio clear? Yeah, okay, chalo, continue. Try this question out. So what they're saying is they've given the tangents, right? Tangents को रख के you have to find out the radius. ठीक है? करो guys, जल्दी try. This is a simple question. This looks a little complex, but ये actual में simple है. एक सेकेंड. हाँ, अरे यार क्या हो गया? 1 second. हाँ, start the, yeah, हाँ अब clear है. So this question looks complex, but it's actually very simple. आराम से ट्राई करो, आ जाएगा. हो रहा है. शर्मिष्ठा says 5/3. Anyone else? शर्मिष्ठा बोल रहे कि radius is 5/3. और कोई? Think logically guys, very much doable this question is. Anyone else? So this is your center. This is your center, right? Let's call it A, let's call this B. What do you know? OA is perpendicular to this line, OB is perpendicular to this line, and OA and OB are the same lengths, right? We just saw from a given point, and we just saw this, right? From a given point, if you want to find out the length of the perpendicular from the given equation, how do you do it, right? So let's say iska agar coordinate is x and y, right? Let's take you to the, let me take you to that slide here. Here it is. Yes, so if the length of P you have to find out, you do not know what x1 and y1 is, right? ये x1 y1 point आपको नहीं पता, but one thing is there कि x1 y1 दोनों के लिए common है, तो you can equate them and find them out. Yes, you'll get two equations, you can equate them and find the x and y का value. Correct? From there you'd be able to find the length of P also. Do you agree? Yes, so use this ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square ka whole root. Correct? So look at this, if I consider this as x and y, right? So what is it? P, in this case our radius r is basically what? We have to do ax1, so this is going to be 9x plus 12y plus 20 divided by a square plus b square, which is what? 9 square plus 12 square, right? This is going to be how much? This is 9x plus 12y plus 20 divided by 9 square is 81. Two parallel lines will also work. Correct, Samishta? Yes. Now also go for two parallel lines. Correct. So you would get here 9x plus 12y plus 20 over what? 81 plus 144. That is how much? 5 to 25. Yes, which is what? 15. Anyway, 9, 12 and 15, right? 3 is to 4 is to 5. We directly kar lete. So this is one equation for radius. Now using the other line also you can get the equation for the radius. दूसरा लाइन ले लो, 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. उससे भी आपको बनेगा एक radius. Radius will be equal to what? 3x plus 4y minus 10 divided by 3 square plus 4 square. You know 3 is to 4 is to 5. So this has to be 5. These two are equal. So if you look at this, look at these two equations, what do you understand? It's clear that these two equations are parallel lines, correct? Because 9 by 3, a1 by a2 is the same as 12 by 4, b1 by b2, which is not equal to 20 by minus 10, c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, correct? So this is ultimately what? Ultimately we trying to find out the distance between two parallel lines. Once you find out the distance between two parallel lines, you would ultimately figure out what? You would ultimately be able to figure out what? Anyone? The diameter. Once you have the diameter, half it, you will get the radius, correct? Yes, so what is distance between two parallel lines? C1 minus C2 by a square plus b square ka whole root. Yes, C1 minus C2 by a square plus b square the whole root. So we will write the second equation. Second equation को भी ऐसे ही लिख सकते हो, या second equation को ऐसे लिख लो. So you have two equations. This is your parallel format. Look at this. You have one equation 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. The second equation also I'm going to write it in the same form, multiplied with 3. So 9x plus 12y minus 30 is equal to 0. Yes, so the distance between two parallel lines, let's call it D, is equal to what? C1 minus C2 divided by a square plus b square, right? Modulus of it. तो इससे अपने को diameter मिल जाएगा. Do you agree with this, guys? तो ये explain करने के लिए ही we use this, right? Understand this. तो C1 क्या है? If I consider 20 minus of minus 30 is 50 by a square plus b square. That is what? 9 square plus 12 square is 15. This gives us the diameter. This is the diameter. Yes, so 10 by 3 is the diameter. But what do we want? We want the radius. So radius is given as what? Half of the diameter, which is 10 by 3 ka half, 5 by 3. Cool? आ रहा समझ में? So 5 by 3 units is the radius of the given circle. आया समझ में ये? Yes, no guys. अब इन दोनों को भी इक्वेट कर सकते हो. You can equate these two also and you will get the you will figure out that ultimately your x and y's get cancelled out any which ways. समझ गए? Yes. चलो, try the next question. So for this, center is given and this line is the tangent. We need to find the radius. So I'll draw the diagram for you. This is the circle. This is the center, which is given as 2, 2. Yeah, and they're saying there is a line tangential to this. So if I draw a line tangential to this, yes, इस लाइन का इक्वेशन क्या दिया हुआ है? 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, we need to find the radius. This is the unknown. This is basically what? अब ये समझ में आ रहा है? Now this with the help of the previous equation, superb Ritik. Ritik says the radius is 2 units. Anyone else? Nalin says 2 units. Very good. So what is r? R is nothing but the perpendicular distance between the point 2, 2 and the line 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So r is given as what? R is given as ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by whole root a square plus b square. Yes, तो इसमें directly plug in करो. 2, 2 को इसमें plug in करो. What will happen? You'll get 8 plus 6 14, 14 minus 4 10. So this is 10 divided by 4 square plus 3 square. We know 3 is to 4 is to 5. So this will be 5. Ultimately you get 2 units. Cool? आ रहा अभी समझ में? Very good Nalin, very good Samishta. चलो, let's move to the next question now. Now here we have to form the equation. You have to form the equation. Center is given, radius is given. जल्दी से करो. What is it? X minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. Go ahead, form करो equation को. Center दे दिया है. This is a comma b. This is r. That's it. So you have to be careful with the answer choices though. Answer choices को लेके थोड़ा सा ध्यान से रहना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ऐसे find the equation वाले questions में answer choices होते हैं. This can't be theta, है ना? तो ऐसे questions में if you have answer choices, they could be of any form. तो don't rush there. है ना? Equation को आप कैसे भी घुमा फिरा के लिख सकते हो. So don't rush there. Try to be a little bit patient when you select the answer choice, right? So what will this be? X minus of minus 3, which is x plus 3 the whole square, plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to 7 square. That's 49. Yes, this is basically your standard form, but इसको अगर आप expand करोगे तो you can. Other forms of the answer choices could be expansion of this, which is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 25 minus 10y minus 49 is equal to 0. So you would get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y plus 9 plus 25. This is what? 49 minus 34 is how much? Minus 15 is equal to 0. So your answer choice could be of this form, it could also be of this form. Yeah, done. कोई भी एक फॉर्म में हो सकता है, both are the same only, this is expanded form of it, that's it. Yes, चलो. Find the center and radius. ये अपन ने किया है क्या? Have we done this? I don't think so. जल्दी करो ये. I actually leave this as homework, but ठीक है. Let's quickly do this. Find the center and find the radius of it. Center और radius निकालो जल्दी. Quick guys. Center is 3 comma minus 4, very good, and radius is 7. 3 comma minus 4 and radius is 7, very good. So what do you do for center? Take this part, coefficient of x which is minus 6, इसको positive, इसको negative अंदर चला जाएगा, so your g becomes what? minus 3, and your f becomes, divide this by 2, your f becomes 4. Yes, but center is given by minus g comma minus f, which is minus of minus 3 plus 3 comma minus 4. Yeah, and you want the radius. Radius is given by what? G square plus f square minus c ka whole root. G square is what? 9, f square is 16, minus c is minus of minus c 24. Yeah. So what do you get? 25 plus 24, 49, root 49 is 7 units. So you got the radius as 7, center as 3 comma minus 4. Yes. Now अभी आराम से पढ़ो question, जल्दबाजी में मत करना. Read the question carefully and answer this. Yes. ये सब IIT के समय पढ़े होगे, करेक्ट. सो सी नॉर्मली अंडर कैट अगर अपन एडवांस मैथ की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो इट इज़ ऑल एल्जेब्रा, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, ज्योमेट्री मेंसुरेशन, एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम 8th 9th and 10th स्टैंडर्ड. 11th 12th जितना दूर भी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 8th 9th and 10th वे मोर देन इनफ. यस. This is not A from Q, huh? This is Q. ये टाइपो है, A नहीं है, ये Q है. तो Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए हुए हैं. They're saying P is a point on the circle. डायग्राम बनाओ, ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. ट्राई एंड मेक द डायग्राम. श्रेयसी, बस जस्ट अ कपल टू एंश्योर कि अपने को कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाए. जस्ट अ कपल क्वेश्चंस, नॉट टू मेनी. यस, मोस्टली वी विल डू इट इन स्पेशल ओनली. स्पेशल क्लासेस कल से चालू होंगी नलिन. मैं आपको स्केड्यूल भेज दूंगा. आई विल सेंड यू द स्केड्यूल. कल से चालू है स्पेशल क्लासेस. या सो लिसन टू दिस. दे आर सेइंग देयर इज अ सर्कल. यस, from the equation you know that the center is 17, 15. correct. ये center जो है ये क्या है 17, 15. yes, and this radius is given as square root of 369. 369 is not a perfect square. Square root of 369, this is basically 369 is 41 into 9. correct. So this is 3 root 41 units. Yes, 3 root 41 units. Now what are they saying? They're saying that P is a point on the circle. P is a point on the circle which is farthest from Q. है ना? So if I say this is P, let's say this is P. This is a point on the circle P. Now they're saying what? This is farthest from Q. Yes. So if this has to be farthest from Q and we don't know where Q lies, whether the Q lies on the line or on the circle, let's first find out if Q lies on the circle. If Q lies on the circle, then 47 को आप x की जगह पे, 39 को आप y की जगह पे satisfy. If you plug in, it should satisfy. So let's check. 47 minus 17 square plus 39 minus 15 square, इसका 369 के साथ क्या रिलेशन है? Let's check. So this is 30 square itself is 900. 30 square itself is 900. So this is way larger than the given. I mean it's exceeding the given equation. That basically means अपना Q कहाँ पर रहेगा? Q should be away from the circle, outside the circle. This somewhere here will be Q. समझ रहे हो? This far should be Q. Correct? This is what? 47, 39. So we have to find this distance PQ. Yes, how do you find PQ? You need this distance from Q to the circle. Then you need the diameter. तो diameter तो मिल जाएगा, radius है, radius को double किया, diameter मिल गया. But we need what? Q to this part. Yes. Agreed? We know this is the center, right? We know this is the center. So instead of finding this distance, we can rather find this distance, right? 47, 39 and 17, 15 का distance निकालो, उस पे एक बार radius add करो and we are done. Yes, so what is PQ? PQ is basically distance between 47, 39 and 17, 15, which will basically be this. इसका square root निकालोगे आ जाएगा. Yes, plus the radius. Yeah, so what will this be? Whatever, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y1, whatever, this value basically. So 30 square 900 plus what is this? 39 minus 15 is 24, correct? 24 square. How much is 24 square? $576. इसका root plus the radius, which is 3 root 41. Yes, so if you look at this, 900 plus 576 is 1476. 1476 का अगर आप, if you go for the root, you know it's not a perfect square. 1476 का root of 1476 is 38.41 something, but you know that 1476 will be divisible by 41. 1476 is divisible by 41 36 times, so this is 6 root 41 plus 3 root 41, that comes up to 9 root 41. Yes, so what is our answer here? Option C, 9√41. आ रहा है ये समझ में लॉजिक? शर्मिष्ठा सुपर्ब। नलिन, हाँ अरिथमेटिक से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे, परसेंटेज तो हो चुका था उस दिन, कल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से स्टार्ट करेंगे। डोंट वरी, मैं आपको पूरा स्केड्यूल भेज दूंगा आज रात तक। आई विल सेंड यू द स्केड्यूल फॉर अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक, सॉरी हाँ, अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक का मैं भेज दूंगा। ये आ गया क्या समझ में लॉजिक? Yes, so identifying where Q lies is important. Identifying Q का position is very important. Yes, otherwise 6√41 could also be the answer if Q lied on the circle. अगर Q के जो coordinates है वो इस equation में x minus 17 the whole square y minus 15 the whole square is equal to 369 में plug in करोगे, अगर satisfy करेगा that means Q lies on the circle. Yes. चलो नेक्स्ट, रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली। सेंट्रॉइड दिया है, ऑर्थो सेंटर दिया है, दोनों सेम नहीं है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। दे आर आस्किंग सर्कम सेंटर कहाँ होगा। सेंट्रॉइड क्या है? मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ मीडियंस। Ortho center is meeting point of altitudes. Yes, and circum center is what? Meeting point of, guys, circum center क्या है? Meeting point of sorry quick, think logically guys, think logically. Circum center, ortho center, centroid for any given triangle, कोई भी आप triangle ले लो, for any given triangle the circum center, the ortho center and the centroid will always lie in a straight line. That means these 3 points are collinear, है ना? These 3 points will be collinear, correct? So the key here is what? To go for the fact that they are collinear, and you know something about centroid. What is centroid? Centroid क्या करता है? Centroid divides a given line in the ratio 2:1, correct? Median को 2:1 में divide करेगा वो। तो if I consider this as the median, अगर ये median है अपना, yes, तो here technically somewhere here should be our ortho center, yes, somewhere here should be our centroid which is G, and somewhere here should be our circumcenter which is C. Yes, तो ये G, that is your centroid. What does the centroid do? It divides this line in what ratio? 2 towards the vertex and 1 towards the side, correct? तो आपका triangle कुछ ऐसा होगा। Sorry, yeah, technically like this, but okay, कैसे भी हो, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it should be actually like this. Yes, तो triangle जाने दो, you got the idea behind it. You understood that 2:1 centroid divides these two points in the ratio 2:1. Line joining these 2 points in the ratio 2:1. That's it. है ना? समझ रहे हो? So if this divides in the ratio 2:1, तो centroid क्या कर रहा है? Sorry, the circumcenter क्या कर रहा है? Circumcenter divides this in what ratio? circumcenter divides this line in what ratio? This entire thing becomes 3. Yes, entire thing becomes 3. This part is external, that is -1. So your circumcenter divides the median externally in what ratio? In ratio 3:1. Yes, 3:1, where 1 is external, तो इसको -1 कंसिडर करें. Yes, माइनस नहीं भी करना है तो चलेगा. डोंट कंफ्यूज योर सेल्फ कि सर रेशियो, हाउ डू यू डिवाइड समथिंग इन द रेशियो वेयर द रेशियो इज नेगेटिव फॉर अ फिजिकल डिफरेंस, है ना, फॉर द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, बिकॉज इट इज एक्सटर्नल. तो फिर यू अप्लाई द एक्सटर्नल सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. दैट्स इट. अंडरस्टूड? यस, आ रहा है क्या समझ में आपको? सो इसका क्या होगा फिर? आर सर्कम सेंटर का पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा फिर? कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सर्कम सेंटर, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी विल बी व्हाट? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट विल बिकम हियर 3 पाथ्स इंटू 2 है ना ये. सेंट्रॉइड इज 2, 2, -2. ऑर्थो सेंटर इज 10, 6. इसको इस रेशियो में स्प्लिट कर रहा है, राइट? सो 3 पार्ट्स विथ 2, 3 into 2 minus 1 parts with this 10, 1 into 10 by 3 minus 1. This is your x coordinate for your circumcenter. For y coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into -2 minus 1 into 6 by same 3 minus 1. Yes, so this is what? 6 minus 10 minus 4 by 2, comma, -6 minus 6 is minus 12 by 2. This is nothing but -2, -6, जो कि क्या है? ऑप्शन ए. Understood? So the property that you learned here is for any triangle, not just for a specific triangle, for any given triangle. For any triangle, the orthocenter, centroid, yes, orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter are collinear. So you can also use collinearity का condition and go with answer choice elimination. Yes, collinearity का you can go with collinearity का condition and check. Yes, you can go for area of the triangle, you can go for slope, you can go for sum of two sides equal to the third side. समझ गए? So this will be -2, -6. नलिन, अगर ये वाला पार्ट 3:1 वाला पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया तो go for collinearity. Go for collinearity. So the deal is what? That OG, this length OG plus GC should be equal to OC. Yes, तो OG का लेंथ निकाल लो. OG is how much? OG is 10 minus 2, 8, 64 plus 6 minus of -2, 64. Yes, this is what? 8√2 OG, and GC will be how much? 2 minus of -2, 4, 16 plus -2 minus of -6 plus 16 again. Yes, 16 plus 16 is how much? 32. That is 16 twice, basically 4√2. Yes, and now find out how much is OC. OC कितना है, फुल थिंग OC 10 minus of minus 2 12 144 plus 6 minus of minus 6 12 144. Yes, this is basically 12 root 2. So look at this, condition satisfy हो रहा है. 8 root 2 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 12 root 2, collinearity. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, समझ गए? यस हाँ, कोलिनियर मतलब क्या, स्ट्रेट लाइन में लाई करना ना. इक्वल नहीं है तो भी कोलिनियर रहेंगे, दैट्स द कंडीशन. इवन इफ दे आर नॉट इक्वल दे विल बी कोलिनियर. ठीक है, आई थिंक दैट्स बेटर देन गोइंग फॉर द एक्सटर्नल स्प्लिट. कोलिनियरिटी बेस्ट है. डन नलिन, शैल वी मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट वन. चलो so they've given the equation of the diameters. diameters का equation दे दिया, 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Yes, these are the two diameters and the radius is given as 7. They're asking what is the equation of the circle. इसको equal to 7 कर दो, it's better that way. equal to 7. ट्राई करो ये क्वेश्चन जल्दी. If you want I can draw the diagram so that you understand. ये कोई एक circle है. Yes, this is the center. They're saying one of the lines is diameter. ये जो है that is let's say 2x minus 3y equal to 5 है. Another one is this. Let's say this is 3x minus 4y equal to 7. Yes, and they have given the radius to be 7 units. तो अब क्या ढूंढना है, इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल ढूंढना. सो फॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल व्हाट डू यू वांट? फॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल रेडियस चाहिए जो है एंड यू वांट द सेंटर, करेक्ट? तो योर एम हियर इज टू बेसिकली फाइंड द सेंटर. सेंटर इज नथिंग बट द कोइंसिडेंटल पार्ट ऑफ टू लाइंस, है ना. टू डायमीटर्स कहाँ पे मीट होते हैं? सेंटर पे ही मीट होंगे और कहीं नहीं मीट होंगे, है ना. कॉमन सेंस. चलो फटाफट करो ये वाला. हु कैन आंसर दिस? Any answers? So what's the scene here, guys? Look, if these two lines should coincide, that means at this part, the coefficient, the coordinates of x and y will be equal for both these lines. Yes or no? x और y दोनों equal रहेंगे, right? So you can write x 2x is equal to 3y plus 5 और x is equal to 3y plus 5 by 2. पैरेलली दूसरे लाइन का x क्या हो जाएगा? You will have 3x is equal to 4y plus 7. x is equal to 4y plus 7/3. दोनों को equate करो because x coordinates दोनों साइड में equal होने चाहिए. So if I equate this, 3y plus 5/2 is equal to 4y plus 7/3. This gives us 9y plus 15 is equal to 8y plus 14. So what do you get? Y equal to 1. Plug in y equal to 1, you will get x ka value. So if I plug in y equal to 1, what is x? X will be equal to 8/2 4. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? क्यों अलग आ रहा है दोनों में? Something wrong with the equation? y equal to 1 यहाँ पे something fishy. Sorry, y equal to -1. y equal to -1 है, +1 नहीं है. So if you plug in -1, you get 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2/2 is 1, or 7 minus 4, 3, 3/3 is 1. Sorry, हाँ, x is equal to 1. थोड़ा सा calculation mistake हो गया. So now you found out the center. The center is what? 1, -1. अब आप equation of the circle बना सकते हो, right? So now you can form the equation of the circle. How do you find the equation of a given circle? X minus a square, in this case x minus 1 square plus y minus of -1, y plus 1 the whole square should be equal to 49. अब इसको expand कर लो, you will get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 49. Bring 49 to the other side, you'll have x square plus y square minus 2x, this is 2y, plus 2y, 2 minus 49 is minus 47 is equal to 0. Here is the equation of your circle. समझ गए? Which is what? Option C. x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 47 is 0. Cool? Yes, थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन एरर हो गया था यहाँ पे. y was not 1, y was -1, x was 1. ठीक है? Yeah. Done. चलो, one last question and then we'll do the quiz. So they've given two equations of circles. X square plus y square plus 4x plus k equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 4y plus k equal to 0, and they say they touch each other. They're asking value of k. Quickly try this. They touch each other, that means they are tangential to each other, है ना? Quickly try this. मैं तब तक क्विज रेडी करता हूँ. By now we have completed all the concepts of coordinate geometry. Any answers here? What would be the value of k? There are two circles and they touch each other, right? Let's say this is our first circle. We have no clue about the circles, whether they are of the same radii or not, so let's not assume them being of the same radii. These are the two circles, these are their centers. Yes, this is radius of the first circle, let's call it r1, radius of the second circle r2. Yes, center, let's call this o1 o2, center. Yes, so let's use the first equation, find out o1 and let's find out radius. Yes, so you can write this in what format, guys? X square y square 4x plus k equal to 0. K is a constant, right? That's clear. K is a constant by the answer choices. It's not variable, it's not a coefficient of y or something, है ना? तो ये क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? You will write this as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Yes. So what do you get here? This part is not there. If this part is not there, that means f is equal to 0. And here you get g equal to 2. Correct? So your center for the first circle is what? Minus 2 comma 0. Agreed? Any doubts here? First wale ka minus 2 comma 0, because a center is given by minus g comma minus f. Yes, everyone? हाँ ना जल्दी बोलो. Yes or no, quick. Same way. अच्छा, with this can we find out the radius of this? R1 ढूंढ ले. What is R1? R1 is given as g square plus f square minus c का whole root. Yes, यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 square 4 plus f भी 0 है, c भी 0 है. नहीं, c क्या है? k है. So you get the radius of the first circle as 4 minus k का root, square root of 4 minus k. Same way, do the same thing for the second circle now. Second circle का क्या है? There is no x का coefficient, right? X का coefficient नहीं है. मतलब for the second circle your g is 0 and your f is 2. Yes, so your center is minus g comma minus f, which is what? 0 comma minus 2. So you found this part, this point to be minus 2 comma 0, this point to be 0 comma minus 2. Yes, and इसका radius भी क्या होगा? Radius 2 will be what? g square 0 square 2 square 4 minus k. तो दोनों का radius same है. Understood? Are you able to get this part, guys? Yeah. दोनों का radius equal है. Yes. So now you can go for the distance between these two points. मतलब दोनों radius को जोड़ के. So what do you get? R1 plus R2 is basically the distance between O1 O2. है ना? तो R1 and R2 are the same. So 4 minus k plus 4 minus k, 2 times 4 minus k root will be equal to 0 minus of minus 2 whole square, which is 4 plus minus 2 whole square 4. This is root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Agreed? Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So from here, if you compare this and this, what do you get? You get 4 minus k is equal to 2, or k is equal to 2. Done? 2 is your right answer. आया क्या guys समझ में ये सब? Yes. So just once you draw the diagram, you don't have to draw a graphically correct diagram, just draw a rough diagram to understand what the points are, what the lines are, what these equations are. Yes, give you a vague idea about the question. Say yes if you've understood this. Sarmishta, got it. Shreyashi, correct. B is the right answer. Done. So now let's go to the quiz. The ID for the quiz is 908248. 908248. Yes, this is the ID for the quiz. Quickly go ahead, join. If you are someone who has not done a live quiz before, I'll tell you the steps. Step 1, download Unacademy's learning app. If you already have the app, then go ahead and register using your mobile number. Yes. Number 3, if you are registering for the first time, use the code Surana Live. Then 4, go to tests. Under that there will be live quiz. You will find join quiz and enter this ID 908248. जल्दी आ जाओ guys. If you've joined, send yes. Guys, if you've joined the quiz, send yes. If you're joining, then फटाफट join करो और yes भेजो. Okay, so far only 2 people have joined. आ जाओ गाइस, जल्दी क्विज पे आ जाओ. Okay, I'll start the quiz, shall I? By 4:30 दिया हुआ है टाइम. चलो okay, I'll start the quiz. स्टार्ट करो. This is very much doable. Perpendicular passing through origin. Perpendicular lines मतलब slope must be, product of the slopes must be -1. Keep that in mind and go ahead and solve it. सबसे simple. I think similar question was asked yesterday also, है ना? Superb, very good. B is the right answer. Product of the slopes must be -1. पहले इक्वेशन का स्लोप था -3/4, सो सेकेंड लाइन का स्लोप होना चाहिए 4/3. वेरी गुड, ब्यूटिफुल, सुपर्ब सूची, वेरी गुड श्रेयशी. There is a line perpendicular to AB, at B. That line intersects another line 2x minus y is equal to 5 at x comma y. They want you to find out what is x plus y. Quick. We've done the same question, guys. Same question. ये गलत नहीं कर सकते आप. Come on, come on. This can't go wrong. अभी just किया है ये वाला. Just now. This will never happen in CAT, guys, don't worry. Same question, exact number, same thing. CAT में नहीं होगा, don't worry. अभी पता चल जाएगा कौन कौन सुन रहा था क्लास को. Nice, nice. Very good, Suchi, Shreyashi, Sarmishtha, Nalin, very good. Nice work, guys. Chalo, next question. Wow, mother of all coincidences. Chalo, same question, quick. इससे फ्रेश कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं था. But I would definitely suggest you guys to solve before going for it, okay? मतलब memory से मत आंसर करो, solve करो, उसके बाद select the answer so that you at least remember how to answer a question of similar type, है ना? चलो नेक्स्ट. वेरी गुड. सबने सही आंसर दिया क्या? Nice, very good. Suchi, Shreyashi, Sarmishtha, Nalin. Chalo, next question. Quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral, 4 points are given. Quick. If they are in an order, then you can do it using two triangles also, but it's better you directly go for the quadrilateral. Superb. Nice work, Shreyashi. Superb, Nalin. Why do I feel these questions are repeating? The questions काफी repeat हो रहे हैं. This is a simple question as well. Find out the midpoint. Line parallel to it, passing through the midpoint. Okay, superb. Very good, Shreyashi. This question also we've done. We did this right. Same 2 points in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Point same है, मतलब उनके बीच का डिस्टेंस भी सेम है. सॉरी. Scroll down, there are answers there. Okay, answer choice नीचे भी है. There are 5 answer choices to this question. Nice. Come on, Suchi, Sarmishta, Nalin, जल्दी करो. Distance between orthocenter and centroid. Orthocenter and centroid. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ऑर्थो सेंटर कहाँ पे लाई करता है? इफ यू कैन गो फॉर द डायरेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ इट, फाइंड आउट बोथ देयर कोऑर्डिनेट्स. फॉर ऑर्थो सेंटर it might become a little tricky. Nice, superb. Okay, very good. Hi Prashant. You can make 2-point formula, get it, or rhombus के diagonals property क्या है? What do the diagonals of a rhombus do to each other? Very good, Shreyashi, Suchi. Come on, Sarmishta, Nalin. Keep it up. Last question. Nice, another one from circles. It passes through the origin and cuts equal intercepts at x and y. Center of the circle and origin, मतलब radius दे रखा है. They have given us the radius is root 72. You need to find out the intercept. Very simple. X intercept is when y is equal to 0, y intercept is when x is equal to 0. Simple as that. Okay, very good guys, very good, great work, very nice Suchi. Last minute pop-up, very good Shreyashi, very nice Sarmishta. No issues, Nalin, Prashant, as always a next time. Great work guys. Very nice. Chalo, with this our coordinate geometry ka YouTube sessions are done. We'll be doing practice sessions. We will be doing practice sessions on special, right? So here guys, the next upcoming combat is upcoming Sunday at 12 p.m. Please ensure that you become a part of it to win scholarships. Use my referral code Surana Live if you want to unlock this free test. This is a free test open for all. Anyone can become a part of it. Yeah, there are also test series going on the app. If you do not have the app, please download Unacademy learning app. Yes, there are a lot of things going on here. You can attend free live classes. So I will be doing practice sessions there. If you are not already a part of it, go ahead, join now. From tomorrow we'll be starting our practice sessions there. We'll be doing arithmetic tomorrow, and you can also get you can give free mocks and tests and become a part of this test series and combat also, right? So for any such usage, you can use my referral code Surana Live. Cool. Yes, and if you're planning on joining any of these batches, guys, these are some ongoing batches. There are a lot of upcoming batches also. There are many started today, some will start tomorrow. If you're planning on joining tomorrow, ensure you take it as soon as possible, guys. The prices are about to change, right? By tonight the prices will change. These will be the new prices. So before they change to this, go ahead and take the subscription. All you have to do is use my referral code Surana Live. If you want to take Plus, these are the current prices of Plus. Use Surana Live, get your 10% discount. You can also join Iconic if you are looking for a personal mentor who will help you at every step of the way. Personalized test reports, analysis, helping you understand what your strong areas, weak areas are, what should be the areas that you should focus on more, what should be the areas that you can enhance a little bit better, all of that. There will also be standalone OMET preparation under Iconic. Yes, and you will be mentored by graduates of top B schools like IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta, and so on. Yes, so for this, all you have to do is pick up one of these packages, either 12 or 24 months one. Use my referral code Surana Live. Please don't forget to use this, guys. Get your 10% discount right away. With this, we are done with coordinate geometry. I will share with you April ka schedule on the group. If you haven't yes, we will also be doing Suchi, we will also be doing arithmetic revision class. In fact, we'll be starting a new batch also. Nalin plus Pay Algebra will be starting on the 12th से चालू करेंगे, Friday, that is 12th से we will begin, not Friday, sorry, April 12th ना, that is Monday, April 12th, Monday will be starting our plus Pay Algebra ka batch. Yes, cool guys, thank you very much for being a part of this session. I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. we are doing number system pe class today. Yes, please be there. This is the 4th lecture of number system. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, keep learning, and let's crack it.